Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So let's discuss index levels for coming week and we'll discuss the Nifty chart, Nifty levels, and along with that we'll discuss some important stock market scenarios, stock market news and global market and all about the stock market in one video. So to know the level of the Nifty for coming week, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe to channel for regular index update, stock and news and stock market update. So let's begin the video with some important data, important scenario of the global market and the currency and all everything. Then we'll quickly go to the Nifty chart and we'll quickly finish the video also. So first off all, let's check the global scenario, global index, what was happening last Friday in global market. And you can see here, if you leave the Nifty and our Indian market, you can see the global market in Dow Jones and here and Nasdaq and S&P 100 everywhere is looking positive. The index is looking green, and this is actually good sign. And our Nifty is also in green actually, and it is little bit Nifty bank. No, this is India VIX, and India VIX is down. Otherwise Nifty bank is also little bit slightly negative, but it overall the stock market, the Indian stock market was also positive and moderate, we can say. And if we see the currency, it is high only. It is actually at the same level at 87, which was a concern. Even in my earlier video I always discussed that the USD and our Indian rupees value is going down, and you can see it is already on 87, and which is not going down till now. We can see later what is happening, but now USD INR is 87. And if you see, one good news is coming from the commodity market, which is the Brent oil, and Brent oil is trading at 69 was the low, but it is the LTB was 70. And this is good sign. At it is at very reasonable cost, the Brent oil. And Brent oil is going down means the economy of India economy is going down, because we are mostly the importing the Brent oil, and the price is going down, which is good news. So this is overall the global scenario, which I can discuss in short. And now will quickly go to the Nifty chart. And Nifty chart, you can see I have drawn these line, which is very important. I kept drawing this line, but yes, it is slightly now coming up. And if you see the chart, you can see this trend line I have drawn, and which is showing that the lower high and lower low. You can see here lower high, and here lower low. It has made here the swing low, which is around 22,000. If I have to talk the exact figure, that is 21,950 around. So 22,000 I will take the round figure. And here, from here, since whole last week, it has shown a very good recovery. Good, I cannot say it is a reversal in a bull market, but yes, it has shown a very good recovery. After long time, we have seen, after 22,000, we have seen a 2 3 4 continuous consecutive green candle, and which is showing the positive move from the stock. It has actually given relief to all the investor and the trader also. And if I go here, and you can see this candle on Tuesday around, it has made a very good candle, the Nifty 50. And from here again, this candle, which was above this candle, and this big candle has been broken on this day. And this is looking like hammer. If you I will zoom it for you, and you can see this is called a hammer candle, where the seller took the market, took the Nifty here till here, and from here the buyer came in the control and they took the Nifty to this level, which is very important resistance level. We can say that 22,600, 22,600 के आसपास it was taking resistance for 2 days. And from here, if I go, I have taken this swing low of 22,000 around. If earlier I saw this support at 21,800, this was still, this is still a very important support, but abhi tak Nifty has not touched this level. And I hope that it should not, I pray it should not touch. But yes, this is a very very important support. But this time I'm going beyond this support, and I'm seeing here now, after giving this much recovery, it can take a support for next week, can take support here, which is 22,250. If I can say 22,200 also, as a safer side, 22,200 250 around will be again a very good support. Should not break it, of course, but if it's breaking, again 22,000 on the card. But I'm not going on that. I will update if it is breaking. You should be careful about the 22,000, 21,800 also. And it may make a new low if it's breaking again 22,000 or 22,200, 22,000. So let's see what is happening next week. We can only analyze the chart. If we see the chart, we can see, yes, this could be a very very good support for next week. And the resistance side, you can see this 20 EMA will be a very strong resistance, and Nifty 50 has to break this to go above this level. But it will be a very strong resistance, which is 22,800 around. But yes, we can say 22,700 also, means 22,700 to 22,800. Very strong resistance. If you want, you can pick one safer resistance, which is 22,800. 22,800 will be a very strong resistance. Breaking this will take a Nifty to the new level, to the new high. And yes, this resistance will again work after breaking 22,800, the 23,000. This trend line, you can see here I have drawn. This trend line will be a resistance after breaking this 20 EMA. So this trend line, we can say it is around 23,000, 23,000 से लेके 22,800, इस पूरे एरिया में this will be a strong resistance. And we should hope that Nifty should now break it and go beyond that. But we don't know, अगर यहाँ पे resistance face करके it is going back side again, taking U-turn, then again it will be a big concern, because it may make a new lower low. So let's see what is happening. That we can see as a global scenario is good. DJI, Nasdaq, and all is showing green, positive, and the INR is quite okay. It means not beyond 87. And good news is there that the Brent oil is down, so that may bring a good reaction from the stock market in coming week. But we should we should be careful about this support. Is it breaking or not in next week? So quickly, the next week Nifty 50 level support 22,200, and resistance 22,800. And of course, please be careful about the other levels also I have just mentioned. That is also going to be very important to keep in mind those levels also. We can see the in Nifty Bank, this is also a very good here. now you can see, this 20 ma also again a very good resistance here, like same like a nifty 50. 20 ema is the resistance of the nifty bank also. Nifty bank is looking little negative more than nifty 50. Nifty 50 ne to continuously it has made the 4 5 months, the whole week it has made a very good green candle, but in nifty bank on Thursday it has taken resistance around what 49 49,000, and this day also is not looking that good. So nifty bank is looking more negative. And if we talk about the support, yes, earlier it was mine for 47,800 around, which is the lower swing, but this time I'm going beyond that and I'm taking around the 48,000 is support. May work for the next week, but it should not be broken. And I guess 48,000 to 47,800 again a very very 47,900 again will be a very very important support area. Yes, 47,800 to 48,000. So 48,000 you can quickly remind to your mind that 48,000 will be a strong support. And from here, if 20 ema and this resistance is broken, then very good, it will quickly reach to 49,500 600 around. But abhi now in current scenario, I'm not going to this level. I'm not going beyond that 49,000 you can easily keep in your mind. It will be a very important resistance for the nifty bank. So uh, this is very important because the all the stock market is following these index, other index also, mid cap and small cap. I will in my another video I'll definitely make the video on mid cap and small cap also, because there also is looking some recovery. I will make that video in maybe in next one. But yes, for now, nifty and nifty bank, which is giving the direction to all the stock market, our Indian stock market, and the stocks also, especially large cap and bank stock, and of course for the mid cap and small cap also. So this is very important to discuss the nifty, these indexes levels and indexes direction and indexes current situation. So nifty bank trading zone for the next week can be support 48,000 and the resistance 49,000, the simple and round figure which you can remember very easily. But yes, the beach kb level jo I have just taken 47,800, you should keep in your mind for the safer side. So all these was the discussion of the index charts in short, and you can understand and you can learn also these chart analysis and the index analysis, and this is also giving the direction of our Indian stock market. So I will repeat the level again. Nifty 50 support 22,200 and the resistance 22,800, and nifty bank support 48,000 and resistance 49,000. And yes, like, share, and subscribe the channel for regular index update, stock market update, and all about the stock market in one video. Signing off.